You can place commission via Fiverr, link is in the description below. The artwork for this project is available on Patreon, please visit via the link below. Hello, my name is V, welcome to version V Studio. This is not my voice, this is AI voice. In the last episode, we talked about head section. The proportion between two parts of the arm is very important. If they aren't different too much, it will look like human's arm. If they're much different, it will look like beast's arm. The very important part of the arm is shoulder. This place will be equipped small thruster to navigate the mecha. It will be used to move left or right. It can be also used to rotate the mecha. Now, let's dive into detail processes. After shoulder, arm section is very important. As mentioned before, the proportion between two parts of the arm is very important, it cans how the characteristic of the mecha. We can take a look at the movement of the muscle on human hand. When folding, not only the connection area moving, the whole muscle will move. Based on the human muscle, we can build the arm exterior that will support well for folding. When having enough information about the design language, we can proceed the details. This is the cooling system for the shoulder thruster. Shoulder armor is a part which will protect the shoulder inner frame which connect the arm to the body. It is a sensitive part, so it need to have heavier armor. This is shoulder thruster, the part that we discussed before. It will help to navigate and rotate. Now we will fill other details. Arm armor is designed aligned with the theory that we mentioned before. Now, let's start to dice into details. After skeeting stage, let's do the clean line art base on the sketch.